guys, it's Madman123 here today with another video. What am I doing? Today I'm going to be kicking a teddy into the washing machine. So yeah, let's do it. And the dog gets in the way. Ready? There. Now the cat's going to get in the way. Animals today. Ready? Start. I just have to move you up there and you dive over here and yeah, it's better now. Let's go. Let's go. Lexi, you're in the way. Lexi, you're in the way. Could you move please, Lexi? Thanks. 2, 1. Nope. This is harder than it looks. This is harder than it looks. Okay, this one. And I want to end it quickly.
Why don't you not do that? Why don't you try and turn it on?
Why not? No. Oh! I got it in. That's all for this video. Bye!